Do you want to sound more American when speaking English? In this video, I'll teach you 20 everyday phrases that Americans use all the time. We'll start with 8 common ones from my short, then I'll give you even more, plus real-life examples and a quick practice quiz at the end. Let's begin. 1. What's up? A casual way to say hello. What's up? Here's a casual way to say hello. Example, hey, what's up? Not much, just chillin'. 2. No worries. Means, it's okay, don't worry. Example, sorry for being late. No worries. 3. You got it. Means, of course, sure. Example, can you close the window? You got it. 4. That's awesome. Means, that's great. Example, I passed my test, that's awesome. 5. I'm down. Means, I agree, I want to do that. Example, want to grab pizza tonight? I'm down. 6. No big deal. Means, not a problem. Example, I spilled a little water. No big deal. 7. For sure. Means, definitely. Example, this is the best coffee, right? For sure. 8. My bad. Means, my mistake. Example, oops, I sent the wrong file. My bad. 9. You nailed it. Means, you did it perfectly. Example, your speech was amazing, you nailed it. 10. Piece of cake. Means, very easy. Example, the exam was a piece of cake. 11. Hit me up. Means, contact me. Example, hit me up later and we'll make plans. 12. Take it easy. Means, relax, goodbye. Example, I'm heading home, take it easy. 13. Catch you later. Means, see you later. Example, I've got to go, catch you later. 14. All good. Means, everything is fine. Example, sorry I forgot your pen. All good. 15. No way. Means, that's unbelievable, really? Example, I just met Taylor Swift. No way. 16. You bet. Means, absolutely, of course. Example, thanks for your help. You bet. 17. Long story short. Means, to summarize. Example, long story short, we missed the bus. 18. Don't sweat it. Means, don't worry. Example, sorry about the confusion. Don't sweat it. Your turn, practice time. Now let's practice. I'll give you a situation, and you choose the best phrase. 1. Your friend says sorry I'm late. Correct answer, no worries. 2. Your classmate got an A on their exam. Correct answer, that's awesome. 3. You want to say goodbye casually. Correct answer, catch you later. 4. Someone thanks you for helping. Correct answer, you bet. Great job. Today, we covered 20 everyday phrases that will help you sound more American in English. Practice them in conversations and you'll feel more confident and natural. Which phrase was your favorite? Write it in the comments. And if you want to keep learning, check out my video on American slang words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. See you in the next lesson. Freely American English.